March, right down the blacklisting, the flamingo. Ladies and gentlemen, before I end the show, I introduce all the families. So first, for the first, I introduce our chief trainer, Mr. Bunsa. We're going to see your name star. I want to thank you, Dr. Mr. Abangdon, the doctor in the flamingo. I want to thank you, Dr. Mr. Bosley, with a Bronica named Viper. I want to thank you, Dr. Mr. Suhaimi, with Marco Gogan Yari. And the thank you, Dr. Mr. Santi, and Dr. Mr. Malo. And to thank you,